हेलो दोस्तों, माई सेल्फ करण उदयपुरिया एंड आई वेलकम यू टू आवर जेई एडवांस सीरीज़। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री एंड द क्वालिटी पार्ट ऑफ टुडेज़ वीडियो इज़ हम लोग सीखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस, शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू कर्व्स, द स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स, हाउ टू फाइंड देम, व्हाट्स द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड देम। और ये बहुत जनरल सेक्शन है जेई एडवांस का, तो आता है इस पर क्वेश्चन। चलिए देखते हैं। सो यू मस्ट हैव अटेम्प्टेड द क्वेश्चन. Let's read it and try to understand it. Let P be a point on parabola y square equal to 4x, which is at shortest distance from center S of circle. Now here the concept is shortest distance. Okay, what's this concept? And they are very frequent questions asked frequently. How to solve the shortest distance questions? See, any curve. Let me tell you, for any curve, if you have two curve, suppose one curve is like this, another curve is like this. Any curve. This may be a circle, parabola, ellipse. This may be anything. And if you want to find the shortest distance between two curves, the best way or the only way is find the equation of the normal to this curve, equation of normal to this curve, and both equations should be same. Okay, suppose the equation here is n1, here is n2, then writing n1, a1x plus b2y plus c equal to 0, here a2x plus b1y plus c dash equal to 0. So both equations should be same, because if a normal drawn here at this point and this point is the shortest distance, this normal would pass through that point. Try to understand. अगर इस पॉइंट पे मैं एक नॉर्मल बनाता हूँ और मुझे शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस चाहिए इस कर्व से, तो वो नॉर्मल उसी पॉइंट से पास करेगा। समझ रहे हो? तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन पुट both the points, this point and this point, in these two equations, and it will satisfy the equations. So the best method is to find the normals. In this case we have a parabola and a circle. Let's try to understand parabola and a circle. If we are required to find out the shortest distance between this parabola and the circle, so again the method is same. Find the normal equation of the circle and normal equation of the parabola. Here rather we can do easy in case of parabola and circle. It's a shortcut. If you find at that from this point you have the shortest point, okay, nearest point, okay, you find the equation of normal at this point, okay. Normal goes like this. In a circle we have a property, great property, that a normal to the circle always passes to the center of the circle. Normal to circle passes through center. Okay, so in case of parabola and circle, we frequently find out the normal equation of parabola, equate it by putting the point of the circle, center of the circle, so we get the equation. And if we solve the equation with the parabola, we obviously get this point, and if we solve it with the circle, we get this point. In case of circle, it's possible because of the property of circle. Similarly, in other curves we have other properties, we have to use that at the same time टू गेट आंसर. सही समय पर सही प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ करने से हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा. मेथड सेम है, नॉर्मल इक्वेट करना है. ठीक है, अगर ये समझ आ रहा है तो क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. सो लेट पी बी द पॉइंट. मैंने पहले ही बोला था, कोऑर्डिनेट का कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो गया विदाउट डायग्राम अप्रोच करना ही नहीं है. डायग्राम के बिना अप्रोच करना ही नहीं है. कोऑर्डिनेट का कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो जाए, ठीक है. तो पहले क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x और ये सर्कल. ठीक है, तो करते हैं. सपोज एक पैराबोला है, वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x. वर्टेक्स क्या है 0,0, फोकस क्या होगा 1,0. ओके, एंड वी हैव अ सर्कल हुज इक्वेशन इज x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 16y प्लस 64 इक्वल टू 0. तो सेंटर क्या है सर्कल का, इधर से पता चल रहा है 2,8, एंड रेडियस क्या होगा 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 8 स्क्वायर माइनस 64, दैट्स √4. That's equal to 2. Radius 2 है, center is 2,8. So the circle must be somewhere here. This is 2, this is 8, and radius is 2. So it will go like this, something like this. We don't know exact location, something like this, and we are required to find out. Now let Q be the point on the circle dividing line segment SP internally. So tell me what's S. S is the center of circle. P is the point of shortest distance. We don't know that point, so we draw the normal to the circle, and the point at which it cuts the parabola, it's the shortest distance point, that's P. And it's saying Q is the point dividing SP internally on the circle, so this is Q. The question is clear and we have plotted it, SPQ. Now we have various options. First of all, what's S? We know. Let's go procedurally. S is 2, 8. We know. What's P? We don't know. Now we have to find P. Then we'll solve sequentially. Okay. How to find P? Just now I said you find the normal equations. So we don't know P, but we know the parametric equations of a parabola. The formula parametric equation of normal of a parabola. If you don't know the formula, no worries, we can derive it. This point is 80 square, 280, any point. So t square, 2t, because a is 1 year. So let p be t square, 2t. Then the equation of normal would be formula y minus y1 is equal to minus y1 by 2a x minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 minus y1 by 2a x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2t is equal to minus 2t by 2a. It's minus t because a is 1 and minus 2t by 2 is minus t. X minus t square. Solving this we get tx plus y is equal to 2t plus t cube. We should remember this equation as the parametric equation of normal of a parabola. काम आता है बहुत जगह डायरेक्टली, नहीं तो ड्राइव कर दिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. अब we know that, see here, this normal passes through the circle and we know the property that a normal to the circle always passes through its center. तो प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ करते हैं. सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल क्या है 2,8. सो x की जगह डाल देंगे 2, y की जगह 8. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. 2t plus 8 is equal to 2t plus t cube. Okay, 2t cancels, t is equal to 2. Yay, we got our 2. So what was our point P? T square, 2t, right? So P, t square, t is 2, 4, 4. We got t, we got P, we got S. Now let's read the question. What's Q? Tell me. Q, how can we find out? First of all, we know the radius of a circle is 2. SQ is equal to 2. We can find the length of SP, right? And if we find the length of SP, so we find the length of QP. SP minus SQ. See, what's QP? SP minus SQ. And what is SP? We can find by using distance formula SP, and SQ is the radius. So by section method we can find Q. Okay, now let's see what the question demands. Let's see the options. Okay, first option, SP is equal to 2 root 5. SP, let's calculate SP by distance formula. We know S, we know P. Distance formula, using distance formula we can say 2 minus 4 whole square, 2 square, plus 8 minus 4 whole square, 4 square. This is root 20, that is equal to 2 root 5. So the question is SP. SP is equal to 2 root 5. Yeah, this is absolutely right. Now SQ is to QP is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 2. Let's check that one. It's very easy now. I said you. What is SQ? Tell me. SQ is the radius of the circle. Radius is 2 by SQ by QP. Right? Radius of the circle is 2. And what's QP? QP is this whole length minus 2. 2 root 5 minus 2. We get 1 by root 5 minus 1. Okay, let's see the option. The option is root 5 plus 1 by 2. Even if we rationalize this one, we get root 5 plus 1 by 4, right? So this is wrong. Third part, x intercept to normal at P is 6. What's the equation of normal to P? Let's see. Our P is this point. So normal equation we found out. What's the normal equation? Tell me. Tx plus y equal to 2t plus t cube, and we know the value of t. T is 2. So the equation would be 2x plus y equal to 2t. 2 into 2 4 plus t cube 8. That's equal to 2x plus y is equal to 12. They are asking the x intercept, means this point. At this point y is equal to 0. When we put y as 0, y equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. So x intercept or this length is equal to 6. Let's see the option. हाँ भैया ऑप्शन में 6 ही सही है. Slope of tangent at q is 0.5. Let's check again. Tell me what's q. Q is this point, and tangent at q means something like this. We know that at a point tangent and normal are perpendicular. We know the slope of normal. What's the slope of normal? Y is equal to minus 2x plus 12. So the slope of normal is minus 2, and the slope of tangent would be minus 1 by m. So minus of 1 by minus 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. Let's see the options. Option is 0.5. So this question answer is A, C, D. B is wrong. This question was not that easy, but if we know the concept and just find S and P, the question becomes damn easy. S and P were the prerequisites. If we know S and P, we can solve the whole question. And the method of finding S and P is the normal method. Let me recall the normal method again. We have to find the normal equation of both the curves. Generally, we have to find the normal equation of both the curves and equate them to be equal, and insert the points, because at both the points the equation would be same. This is a general method, and for a case of circle we can put the center in the normal equation to get it solved faster using the property of circle. That's it. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको किस टॉपिक के वीडियोस चाहिए इस सीरीज़ में. डू प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन, स्पेशली दैट बेल आइकन, टू गेट द अपडेट्स ऑन माई अपकमिंग वीडियोस. स्टे सेफ, ध्यान रखिए और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद.